डिफेन्स एक्सपो ही गोंया खातीर चलून आयिल्ली संदी बरी आसा. ताचे खातीर गोंयांत वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रांत देशी विदेशी उद्योजकां कडल्यान गुंतवणूक वाडटली. ताका लागून ह्या लश्करी प्रदर्शनाचें गोंयकारांनी स्वागत करचें. CII आनी GSIA ह्या औद्योगीक संघटनांचो डिफेन्स एक्सपोक पूर्ण पाठिंबो आसा, अशी माहिती दोनूय संघटनांच्या प्रमुख पदाधिकाऱ्यांनी दिल्या. ह्या वेळार CIIचे अध्यक्ष पराग जोशी, उपाध्यक्ष शेखर प्रभुदेसाय, GSIAचे अध्यक्ष सुदीन नायक, ललित सारस्वत, गजल बांबरी हांची उपस्थिती आशिल्ली.
DEF Expo is such a large event which will probably get 854 companies exhibiting their products and services in the defense and aerospace sector in our state. These companies will be represented by over 50,000 delegates and visitors who are coming for this event. These visitors are from very developed countries like US and many countries in Europe. People who have not even heard of Goa, they will not only hear of Goa but experience Goa in those 4 days. What that means to brand Goa is something that none of us can actually fathom. It will create an awareness of our state as one of the most beautiful state in the country.
सदर प्रदर्शना खातीर मेक इन इंडियाक प्रोत्साहन मेळटलें. देश विदेशांतले कंपन्यांचें लक्ष गोंयाकडेन आकर्शीत जातलें आसून ताचो परिणाम हांगाची गुंतवणूक वाडोवपाक जातली. गोंय हें गुंतवणुकीचें केंद्र जावपाक जाय. कांय लोक गुंतवणूक धोरणाचो अभ्यास करनासतनाच ह्या प्रदर्शनाक विरोध करतात. तांचे कडेन CIIचे पदाधिकारी चर्चा करतले, अशी माहिती ह्या वेळार दिल्या. डिफेन्स एक्सपो खातीर गोंयांत सुट्या भागांची निर्मिती करपाचो प्रकल्प सुरू करपाच्या प्रयत्नांक येस मेळटलें. जे लोक कोंकण रेल्वेक विरोध करताले तेच लोक आतां ह्या प्रदर्शनाकय विरोध करतात. अशा लोकांनी गोंयचें हित लक्षांत घेवन विकासाभिमुख प्रकल्पांक समर्थन दिवपाची गरज आसा, अशेंय ह्या वेळार उपस्थितांनी स्पश्ट केलां.
So the Make in India movement is very strongly entrenched in the defense sector. Lot of new innovations which are being promoted by the Make in India movement are in the defense sector. There will be extensive thrust to set up facilities to make what we were importing earlier in India. Now what that means, I think it is very important for a state like Goa, which wants pollution-free industries, which wants industries which are high technology, high pay, to attract such investments in Goa. What the Goan should have done, in my opinion, is that use this opportunity and lobby with the ministry, get us one large defense or aircraft manufacturing facility in Goa.